7 passive income ideas with little money. How to make passive income with low income. Are you looking for ways to make passive income but don't have much money to get started? In today's world, everyone is looking for ways to make some extra money. Passive income is a great way to achieve that. However, most people feel that they don't have enough money to invest in passive income streams. In this video, we will share with you 7 passive income ideas that take little money to get started. Welcome to Joseph Leppert Finance, the channel where you can learn all about personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Do you want to learn how to make your money work for you? Then you're in the right place. I've spent years studying finance and I'm here to share everything I've learned with you. So, if you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button for more types of videos like these and ring the notification bell so you won't miss one. Let's get right into the video. Passive income is a great way to earn money without having to put in too much effort. However, many people think that they need a lot of money to get started with passive income. In this article, we will discuss 7 passive income ideas that take little money to get started. These ideas will help you start earning passive income today. Idea number 1. Leverage high-interest bank accounts. If you have the money lying around in the bank, you may not be maximizing the returns on these funds. While using bank accounts to make passive income won't make you rich overnight. Moving your money into higher yielding accounts can help your money grow at a faster rate than you've normally been experiencing. The best part is that most banks don't require a minimum balance, meaning that even if you don't have much money in your name, you can start to gain a little bit of extra interest on the money you do have. As of 2019, the average savings account interest rate was a measly 0.09%. However, there are a number of better options available. For instance, if you're looking for a low-risk, high-interest earning cash account, Betterment Everyday currently offers a 2.44% APY, which is more than 27 times the average. This account is fee-free, meaning that the difference in interest you earn is yours to keep. On a yearly basis, if you had $500 in a standard savings account earning just 0.09% annually, you would earn just 4 cents a year. However, in a high-interest bank account earning at 2.44% annually, you would leave you with $12. This is nothing to get too excited about, but it takes next to no effort and will only compound as you contribute more to the account. Idea number 2. Start a blog. If you're a good writer or even a mediocre one, starting a blog can be an excellent way to make passive income. While starting up a blog does not take a good amount of work upfront, once you have your content online and it starts to gain traction within the Google search engine, you'll be making money whether you continue to publish content or not. Your blog will make money through affiliate links and Google AdSense. As your blog gets reviews, readers will interact with your site by following your affiliate links and buying products you recommend, purchasing courses you build, or just helping you make money using Google AdSense. One thing to note about this method of making passive income is that it takes quite a bit of effort, especially in the beginning. This is because in order to gain traction on your site, you will need to research, write, and market your content. However, after the content is live, it will make you money month after month. The big upside of starting a blog is low startup costs. All you need is a domain and web hosting, which can be very affordable. Companies like GoDaddy offers domains for a little as $2.99 for your first year, and it's less than $30 for 2 years. Which is plenty of time for your site to start making you passive income. When it comes to web hosting, this is also relatively inexpensive. You can get a web hosting from HostGator for less than $4 a month, which is actually under $50 a year. Idea number 3. Sell an ebook. If you like the idea of writing but don't want to deal with the technical headache that can come with blogging, consider self-publishing your own ebook. Ebooks are often much shorter than normal books, which puts less of a burden on you to produce a masterpiece. What's even better is how cost-effective this method of making passive income can be. If you enjoy writing but don't want to go through the hassle of starting a blog, self-publishing an ebook can be an excellent way to generate passive income. Ebooks are often in high demand and can be much easier to write than traditional books. To get started, all you need is a computer, a Word document with your text, and a cover image. If you want to improve the look and feel of your ebook, you can outsource the design and editing work for a reasonable price. For example, you can get a professional book cover on Fiverr for just $5, and proofreading can also be contracted out for cheap. Once you've finished your ebook, you can publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, which allows you to earn up to 70% royalties on each sale to customers in most countries. But before we move on, please comment below if you can relate to the video. And if you find this video helpful and interesting, please consider liking the video and share it to your loved ones and friends. Back to the video. Idea number 4. Sell an online course. In the digital age, information is one of the most valuable assets, and selling online courses can be a lucrative way to leverage this. While you may think that you have nothing to teach, chances are you are skilled in several areas that can be turned into a valuable course. Online courses can cover everything from web development to productivity and even journaling. The cost of creating an online course is relatively low, with most courses only requiring a computer, a microphone, and some software to record and edit the content. You can also use platforms like Udemy or Teachable to host your course, where you can set your own prices and make changes to the course at any time. Idea number 5. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. If you have a little bit of extra money laying around and you are willing to take on a little bit of risk, investing in dividend-paying stocks can be an excellent way to make passive income. Dividend-paying stocks are companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders, typically on a quarterly basis. This means that you'll be receiving a regular stream of income without having to do anything other than to invest in the stock. Now, it's important to note that investing in the stock market does not come with risks, and you could lose money if your stock price decreases. However, there are ways to mitigate this risk by diversifying your portfolio and investing in a mix of high and low risk stocks. One strategy for investing in dividend-paying stocks is to look for companies with a long history of paying consistent dividends, known as dividend aristocrats. These companies have shown resilience and stability over time, which can be reassuring for investors. Another strategy is to invest in the dividend ETFs, which are funds that invest in a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks. This can help diversify your portfolio and reduce risk, as you'll be investing in a mix of different companies rather than putting all your eggs in one basket. Overall, investing in dividend-paying stocks can be a great way to generate passive income, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Idea number 6. Rent out a room or space. If you have extra room in your house or a space that you're not using, you could consider renting it out to generate some passive income. There are a number of online platforms such as Airbnb and VRBO that make it easy to list your space and connect with potential renters. Renting out a room or space can be a great way to make some extra cash, and it doesn't require a lot of upfront investment. However, it's important to make sure that you're following local laws and regulations around renting out space, and that you're taking steps to ensure the safety and comfort of your renters. Another option is to rent out space for storage, such as a garage or extra room. There are online platforms such as Neighbor and Sparefoot that make it easy to list your space for rent as storage, and you can earn passive income without having to interact with renters on a regular basis. Idea number 7. Invest in rental property. Investing in rental property can be a great way to generate passive income over the long term. While it does require a significant upfront investment, owning rental property can provide a steady stream of rental income and potential for appreciation in the property value over time. When investing in rental property, it's important to do your research and understand the local rental market. You'll need to consider factors such as the location, property type, and rental rates in the area. One strategy for investing in rental property is to purchase a property that needs some work, such as a fixer-upper, and then renovate it to increase its value and rental potential. This can be a great way to generate passive income while also building equity in the property over time. Another strategy is to invest in a real estate investment trust, or REIT, which is a type of investment fund that owns and manages a portfolio of rental properties. This can be a good option for investors who don't want to deal with the day-to-day management of a rental property, as the REIT takes care of all the details. In conclusion, making passive income doesn't have to be difficult or require a lot of money to get started. By leveraging high-interest bank accounts, starting a blog, selling an ebook or an online course, investing in dividend stocks or real estate, participating in affiliate marketing, or creating and selling digital products, anyone can start earning passive income. While these methods may require some upfront effort and time, they can ultimately lead to a consistent stream of passive income that can help you achieve financial freedom and security. So, if you're ready to start earning passive income, consider these 7 ideas and take action today. Thank you for watching Joseph Leopard Finance, your go-to channel for all things personal finance, investing, and wealth building. I hope you found value in today's video and that it inspires you to take action toward your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like these. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Join our community by leaving a comment below and let us know what financial topics you'd like us to cover next. Remember, financial freedom is possible for anyone, and we're here to help and make it happen. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.